Hey, this is simply about energy, effort, enthusiasm, and toughness. We don't have to be the loudest team on the field. We got to be the toughest team on the field. Take care of your job.
Fight, baby.
Take care of your job and fight your matchup to hell. Everybody fight their matchup tonight, and we're going to have a good day out here. But don't make no mistake. This is going to be a battle. And this is going to be a war. We got to be ready for 60 minutes. You understand? Yeah. Get in here.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Come on.
Let's take it to these guys hard. Let's go. Hawks, make them pay, baby. Make them pay. 1, 2, 3. Hawks.
Who has the ball, no matter whether you're on the offensive side or defensive side, they can score from anywhere.
And there's one in the net. Good shot by Drew Westervelt. Rabel just outside the arc. Now inside. Shot to goal. Bouncer by Paul Rabel.
Stop right. Stop coming.
3 seconds on the shot clock. And goal. Just got it off, and they find the net. Matt Abbott, midfielder from Syracuse, behind the net to Grant. Grant up a Lyle. Nice swim move. And a goal.
Yeah, baby, let's go.
Farrell. Hayes with a shot and a goal. How about that, John Hayes? Good feed by Brian Farrell. Hayes was wide open far side, and he converts.
We've done a lot of talking within ourselves that we are a group that's going to fight to the end. Well, right now we're in a dogfight. It hadn't worked out great for us, but we're sure in position. If we turn it up and raise our level 10%, good things can happen for us. It's up to you. How bad do you want to win? How bad do you want to play together? Let's go, baby.
Abbott gets it back, and he scores.
Hey, listen, they're going to start going again like out of nowhere. When they're subbing, just be ready at all times, guys. Okay?
Ball's just going, and Boyle's like telling him to slow down. He's not gonna listen to him, he's just going.
Stone finds Rabel, so dangerous, and a goal. That's a 2-pointer for Paul Rabel.
You got to get over the midline. You're matching a guy. It's not me and the mid. You're the next guy goes over. You can't match up with a long ball. Listen to me. You match up with a guy who's foul goes over the middle. Who's got it? Everybody else has got it. Everybody else has got it. You're the extra guy. You're the extra guy.
By Rabel to Smalling. Inside. Sweety's got one. Kyle Sweety. That's what Dave Cottle said last week after their victory. There's another goal. That's a 2-pointer, and they have tied it up. Stephen Brooks fired, and Mike Gable was flummoxed by the shot.
Good talk, Kibble. Did you hear Kibble?
Hey, a little curve to it.
I've heard more eyes on the sideline than I've heard Will. Right now, we're going to take this on right now. We are going to take this on for the fourth quarter. We're going to fight like hell. You understand?
Yeah.
Right now, we are going to fight. Let's go. That it's hard.
They get hard.
3:16 is a lot of time. You can have 4 possessions in that amount of time.
And you also have John Grant on your side, and he scores the goal on the pre-stop. Don't let him get in. Behind the back. Oh boy, that's a goal. John Grant, it's his night. What a game he's had. Second game of the season since coming in from the indoor league, and John Grant has his 5th goal.
Let's go.
Rabel. There's the crease. Rabel, goal! Paul Rabel. Oh, he has been phenomenal. And he converts to tie it up with a 1:11 to play.
I'd like to end it. The ball down his head. I don't want to go too soon in the wrong place. We have to play defense, all right? Because you never know what happens.
Let's go, believe a little bit.
Rand and Eck. Eck for Boston, Rand for Chesapeake. Still fighting.
Going again.
Chris Eck. Boyle. Gets pushed. And a knife through 2. Boyle! The goal! The Cannons have won it! Ryan Boyle! A hat trick! And the triumphant Cannons swarm him at Harvard Stadium.
That was fabulous.